Hello, everybody. Grant here with Chef Lettuce, and today we're making Super Bowl wings. We're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to let that preheat. Go ahead and get about a quarter cup of butter, and we're going to go ahead and melt that for about 30 seconds or so. Go ahead and pull that out. We also have our wings here. We're just going to put that in a pan, pat those down dry, that way we get them crispy. Glaze them with butter and whatever other binder you would like to use. For me, I'm going to be using butter. So here we have a mix of baking powder, salt, and garlic powder. Go ahead and sprinkle that on. Once the oven's ready, go ahead and toss those in. On the side, we're going to have some celery and carrots. So here I'm just slicing off the ends of the celery. Don't forget to wash it as well. Cut it in half so they're kind of bite-sized pieces. About halfway through after those 25 minutes, you're going to want to flip them and put them in for about another 25 minutes, and your wings will be ready. Should look something like this. You can always leave them in for longer for some more crispiness. I also have Hidden Valley Ranch here and a mild sauce. So let's go ahead and see how it tastes. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know who you think is going to win the Super Bowl.